Okay, let's start. Ronnie, last 3 minutes. Okay, start. So, Ronnie, we can go ahead with our question.
Yes, hello, Aaron.
Yeah, Ronnie, nice to meet you here.
Well, yes, I'm very glad to be here to help to show how very good product we have right now in YalaTech. And I'm happy all the people that are looking to us can get more understanding of the product.
Yeah, of the electronic shift labor.
Yes.
Yes. And Ronnie, actually, he have interest in our electronic shift labor for a long time. So, and he would have some questions about our electronic shift labor, like the audience in front of the live streaming.
Okay. Yeah. I want to ask questions very concrete for the users and for people that want to become a distributor or agent in different countries. And so we're going to start with, please tell me what products exactly we are going to offer. Products and services. What are those?
Yes, for products. For now, as you can see here, we will supply electronic shift labor. Yeah. Electronic shift labor, this one is 7.5 inch, and this one is 4.2 inch. And we also have some smaller size, like this one, 2.9 inch. Yeah. And 2.9 inch, also electronic shift labor. Yeah. 2.9 inch, and this one is slim series.
Slim,
yeah, and this one is lit series. Ronnie, can you clarify them?
What I see is that the slim is more. It has a layer of transparent that can be. It's not easy to damage. The weight are the same.
Yes.
Then the thickness is a little bit slim, as you can. I don't know if you can see, but almost the same. Maybe 2 millimeters, 3 millimeters.
Yes.
So of course it is more stylish. This one. This one is also very good. I touch them. And I don't destroy, so which is also good.
Yes.
The definition of both are the same. As the definition of them screens are the same, which is also good.
Yes.
Very easy to read, and the QR codes on the side. And also here are the same. And the slim
series, the barcode here is in print. Yes. And this one is labor. It stick on the strip.
Yes, and we will see later. This can be a little bit more complicated to stick. However, this is a very big advantage.
Yes.
Very big advantage.
Yes. Not easy to fade the writing or the barcode right here.
Okay, correct.
And for the color of the outer case is black color and white color. And this color are optional. You can choose
different colors. Okay, that's very good.
White color and black color. And the price are same.
Okay. Just black and white.
Yes, black and white. And you can also customize the color you need.
Okay, so we can customize the color.
Yes, but for customize the color, you have requirement.
Okay.
1,000 pieces.
1,000 pieces.
For one type.
One type.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes. You can custom the color like blue color, like green color, like orange color, red color. That's okay.
Okay. Excellent. So each one is for every SKU.
Yeah.
Okay. Continue. And then this is more for promotion, I guess.
For promotion, yes, for promotion. This one is big. Yeah,
Okay.
so actually it can not only be used in supermarket, it can also be used in some meeting room conference. That's okay. Just image. You can use this one as the meeting signage.
Okay.
And you can put your name, your position right here. Yeah.
Okay. Something interesting is the weight is almost one mobile.
Yeah.
So actually, it's not very different.
Yeah.
So it's very well managed. You can manage very well.
Yes.
Okay.
Very good. And this one is LED series.
LED. Okay.
LED series.
LED.
No. LED this one.
Oh, okay.
This one LED series.
This is LED, and this is
LED series.
LED series.
Okay. Yeah.
LITE.
Yes.
Series. Okay.
And this one is LED series.
Yes.
Yeah, you can see have a LED here.
Okay.
And this one is 7-color LED. 7 color.
Okay.
You can show 7 color.
7 colors.
Yes. And actually, some client probably they do not have requirement for this function, and we have no need to upgrade the firmware for them. And if a client have requirement for LED, we can upgrade the firmware before we shipping out the tools.
Okay.
Yes.
Now, of course, people, some of them you know, some of them you may know, but everything works with a software, with a service, so it can function and give you more operational benefit for you, which is what you are looking for.
Yes.
Please explain that.
Yes. And for this one, this one is our 7.5 inch. Probably you can use for promotion in the supermarket or in some other scenery. You can all use this screen. And generally, the hot sale one is this one, 2.9 inch. 2.9 inch is the hot sale one.
Okay.
This one is not too small and not too big, and it's very suitable for supermarket for the ship.
Correct.
Yeah.
Can you pass me one the bottle?
Sure.
Okay. You see, this is every product can handle very well.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah. And this one actually is suitable for the guide rail. And we will put many guide rail after the product. Yeah, so this one is suitable for this size, 2.9 inch. It's very suitable. And 2.6, 2.1 inch are both suitable. And I can, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
This is the support, the gas barrel, right?
Yes.
So it's very easy to put it.
Yeah.
And this can be put in according how you have your own shelf.
Yeah, exactly. Yes. So this one, 2.9 inch is our hot sale one. 2.9 inch. And this one is 4.2 inch. Actually, 4.2 inch are also hot sale. And for 4.2 inch, we have waterproof series.
Okay.
Yeah, waterproof. And this one is lid series, not waterproof.
Okay, explain a little bit more like a waterproof.
Yeah, waterproof. Like waterproof, you can put it in some fresh area.
Fresh area.
Fresh area. Some fresh area like some seafood.
Seafood,
yeah, and some fresh milk.
Fresh milk.
Yeah, you can also put this coupled to waterproof electronic label.
Okay.
Yeah.
Let's go to the software.
Okay, sure. Let's have a look. Here is our software. Yeah, you can have a look first. And Ronnie, have I sent the ID and password to you before?
No.
Have you checked our software before?
No, actually, I think that we need, but let's work with here right now.
Yeah, sure. Let's have a look here. Right here, Ronnie, you can see the first page is here, the frequency of the price change.
Frequency of the price change.
Yes, which right here can show how many times you change the price. In which day?
Okay, let's go back. Let's first explain why we have a software and what are the benefits. Why I need the software.
Yeah, a software like as we all know, this one, electronic sheet labor is just a hardware.
Correct.
Yeah, and how can we make it work?
Okay.
Yeah, we need to work with software. Yeah, which means we have a software to manage the electronic sheet labor, and this is what we call SaaS system.
Correct.
Yeah, and for SaaS system we have our Yala public cloud, and this is the second one, Yala public cloud, and second two is client private cloud.
Okay.
Which means client they have to build a private cloud on their servers. Yeah, and we deploy our system on their private cloud. Yeah, this is what we call client private cloud. And second grade, option 3, we have local deployment. Local deployment, which means client have no need to log in our website.
Okay.
Yeah, and all data do not through the cloud.
Okay.
All happens in local.
Okay.
Yeah, which means client they just use their use our software in their local servers.
Okay.
Yeah, this is the option 3. Yeah, and now as you can see here is our option 1, our Yala Cloud.
Yala Cloud.
Yala Cloud.
Okay, perfect.
Yeah.
Can you tell us Yala Cloud is in what kind of cloud? Alibaba Cloud, Amazon Cloud, Microsoft Cloud?
Yeah, and we used to be Alibaba Cloud, and now we changed to the Microsoft Cloud.
Okay, this is very interesting, especially for Western countries that they use more Microsoft Cloud.
Yeah. Yes.
Okay.
And some client, for this one, why client needs Yala Cloud? Probably they do not want to build their private cloud. They just need a software to manage the hardware, to manage the electronic sheet labor. So they log in the website. They just log in the website, then they can control the electronic sheet labor.
Okay. What kind of functionalities do we have? Can we go the functionalities of the
we can have a look here.
The software. Okay.
Yeah. The first one is the frequency of price change.
Okay.
Yeah. You can see which day, how many times your electronic chip, your ESL change, price change.
Okay.
Each day. How many times and in which day? This is the frequency of price change.
Frequency of price change. Okay.
Yes. And downstairs is the ESL overview and AP overview. Right here, you can see how many electronic sheet labor you have here.
Okay.
And you can see the green part is online electronic sheet labor.
Okay, interesting. Yeah.
And the offline is and the orange part is offline electronic sheet labor.
Okay.
Which means probably your electronic sheet labor have problem. They
offline. Okay,
yes.
They're offline. Or can we also put it some online and offline according to the inventory? We don't have inventory. Correct.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, that's okay.
There is something I understand that there is. For example, if I have SKU, one question: if I have this label, okay, and I have this SKU, so if I don't have this inventory, can I order inventory and same tag?
Same tag. You need to have inventory.
This tag I got it initially.
Yes.
I don't have this, or I want to use same path, but
same path,
but different product.
Different product.
Can I do it?
Yes, you can change. You can change the product.
Okay.
Yeah, and bind to the product. You just modify the template.
Okay, by the template. So
Yes.
that is very important. So you don't need to at the end if you discontinue one product, you can use the same.
Yes. So one electronic sheet label is suitable for many products you would like to change.
Yes. If we don't use it one day for discontinue, or we just turn it off,
yes,
it will show this. It will show in the here.
Yeah, right
how
here.
many you like.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes,
Perfect.
exactly.
What is AP overview?
AP is our gateway. Like
gateway.
UFO shape.
Yeah.
Yes.
Because we need like imagine you have a router.
Yes. Right? Yes. It's something like a router.
It uses the same look. It used to generate the ways of communication, so the task can receive the information from the server.
Yes. Yeah. This is what we call gateway. And right here you can see one gateway is online. And when the gateway is offline, it will show here.
Perfect. So it's just two options. One is zero. And there's no more. Yes. This can vary.
Yes.
According. And this can just one. Now let's go first to the price tag. Okay. What is this? How do you see the most important use for that? Because
yes, something like
or supermarkets, how they use this?
They use this to see when they change the how many times they change the price. Actually, is something for the owner. They see how their employees work the electronic sheet label.
Okay, excellent. Because there must be one permanent.
Yes.
Somebody who can see, especially like you said, owners, general manager, to have the wide, not only control. Well, it's got control as well.
Yes.
So it's more accurate. Very good. Can you do a report of that? Can we print report of that?
This one report you can check. You can check from which day.
Okay, that's it.
To yes, right here. And take us gateway.
Gateway.
Yeah.
Excellent.
This is what we call gateway. It's round shape.
Very light. I don't think that it weighs more than, let me see how much this weighs. No more than 100 grams.
Yeah.
120, and the mobile is one hand.
Yes.
Can have to connect on the wall.
Yeah.
Or also don't get too high. So it's
gateway before we shipping out.
Oh, interesting.
Yes.
Configure the gateway for what?
For our domain.
Domain. Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
And which means it connected to our cloud.
Okay.
Yes, and it can show right here to show on the system.
But what about if I use the client private cloud?
Private clouds, and we can also configure the domain to their private clouds.
Okay.
Yes.
But can we, for example, if I imagine that I have distributors.
Yes.
And I want to just keep this one inventory.
Yeah, sure.
In my country to sell. And when they say how we can configure it, if we already, I don't have the time.
I know you mean. And actually, if client they are technical company, or they have IT staff, we can send the document how to make it work, and their IT department or their IT staff they can do the configuring by themselves. We will offer them the configuring tools.
Okay.
Yes. So it's very easy. We can configure it for you, and you can configure it by yourself.
Okay, perfect.
Configure it and save your time and energy, which means we do for you.
Yes, I think So it's good to have the two options. Every case will be different.
Yes.
For every client.
Yes. And
what else we have? Another functionality down. Let's go down.
Yeah, let's go to this one. And right here, let's see manage product. Manage product, which means you can download all products you have to the related electronic sheet label right here. You can put all information you would like to show on the electronic sheet label. This one, like this one, is the own store.
Okay.
Or YalaTech ESL store. And the category right here is test one. And 海鲜 is seafood. And cold drink, fruit. And this one. And which means we have 5 products right here.
Okay.
Products.
5 SKU.
We can add and we can delete. If you don't have this product and don't sell anymore, you can delete. Okay, yes. So right here, product information you have. Generally for take an example for supermarket, probably right here have around 300, 400, 500 page. One page is 10 pieces, 10 SKU right here. One page is 10 SKU. Some supermarket they have 500, 400 SKU. So right here have many products already. Yes, and this is the managed category. And right here is the product list. Yeah, you can see here.
Can we go to the people海鲜?
Yeah, right here. The category is the category. This is just an example. Actually, 苹果 should be included.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. Go ahead.
Yeah. So this one is we just make some simple.
So here also they have the retail price, menu price.
Yes. Right here you can put the price you would like to sell.
Can we create one product so people can see?
Sure.
Create.
Sure. Right here, you just add new product. Yeah. And you can put the barcode. The barcode right here is increase. New product. Barcode is, for example, Yala has and product name banana. Product number 123. Retail price. Sales price. And just take it right here and we confirm. Some data are retail price, market price, sales price, market price. The Korean has true fruit, banana, that's mango. Let's go. The other is 7.75 retail price. This is all description you can change by yourself. Multiply. So then no more else.
Interesting to see that there is also promotion date, so we can do it here. Promotion.
Yes.
Not big one. Because the only one that is mandatory is the barcode.
那这个怎么加不了？难道是我哪里操作不对？不然把那个研发过来一下。Sorry, I'm a little not familiar with this operation. Let's invite engineer.
Very good, very good.
Yeah.
This happening and we see what
Actually, it's very easy to use. And this one here is new product. We can add the product here, and we can also have bug. We can upload in bug right here.
Yes, I was going to ask you, so we can transfer the information from the document.
It says file, access file. Right here, we can download the template. We can download the template right here. And let's open it. This is our engineer.
Okay.
那个添加产品这什么？是不是我哪里操作不对？这里吗 ？Add new product. This is our engineer. 是这里吧？然后这里添加不对。提示什么？没有，就是没有这里点了没反应。可能是试一下。
What we can do is that he can check on a.
就是建一个新的。
Yeah. 还是鸡蛋？
你是需要做新的产品吗？
添加产品。
Let's he can keep working over there and we can continue.
Yeah, sure.
New product.
如果不行就先算了。
然后就是我们那个。
Yeah, we can.
Okay,
go ahead.
跟我们那个中文那个一样。
找不了吗？找不了那就算了。
You can work with that.
Yes.
Okay. So another functionality that we have.
Yes.
They're going to fix to see
there
might be a bug.
Yes, maybe a bug because recently our system are on upgrades or upgrading. Our IT department has an upgrading. So right here we can see is the product name. The product. Here. And here is the product list we have. More contest administrator. Looking. Hey, there's a bug. Probably our IT department has check it. We'll solve this quickly. Yeah.
Can we manage it with an app?
Yes.
Maybe.
Right here. This one. YalaESL. Yeah. And have I sent the download link to you?
No.
Yeah.
Send me the app so I can also download it.
Yeah, I will send you soon. And for this one, here is the ID.
Correct.
And password. Login.
Correct.
Well, seems like great. Today our system are upgrading. Because our system today are upgrading. But generally you can log in. And
okay, but then right now we're gonna use the idea that we have the people can work in the computers and also in their mobile. Can be this app for iOS and also for Android?
Now for Android.
Just Android.
For now just Android. And we have iOS version under development.
Okay.
Yes, and we will have the iOS version soon. iOS version. Yes, and right here is the ESL. Now has the bug right here. Okay, let's forget it.
Okay, let's do it.
I will send you an ID and password and the login website. Then, when we fix the problems, when we fix the bug, you can check by yourself.
Okay.
Yeah,
Perfect.
it's very, very, very easy to see all details of all details. And today we just saw some electronic shift labor here, and Ronnie give us some questions about audience would like to ask. Yes, and so today, if audience right in front of the live streaming would like to know more details, we can continue. You can leave a message on the platform. Yeah, we can send some information, more details for you. And so, Ronnie, how about do you have other questions about hardware?
Oh, good point. Yes.
Yes.
Okay, regarding the hardware, it's important. What I want to know is how they come in packages.
In package?
Yes, because also I would like to say, okay, you can came like in one small box 20 or
yes.
40 or 80.
Yes.
How many per box?
Generally, take example for 2.1 inch. Take example for 2.9 inch. 2.9 inch, our standard size is 50 length.
Okay.
And 27 height and 36 weight. So this is our standard size box. We can put 324 pieces.
324 pieces.
Yes, 2.9 inch.
Okay.
Yes, and for 2.1 inch, we can put around 360.
Okay, excellent. Another question. Do we need to buy as well the support?
Support, sure. And support, sure. That depends on client's requirement. Some client probably they need some clip.
Okay.
And some client they need the stem, like this one. Yeah.
Okay.
So it depends on which client would like to implement the ESL.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. We have different options. So
yes.
So it's important that we can recommend, understand our client the needs, and offer him an option.
Yes. Yes. Many options for a holder.
Correct.
Yes. And for the accessory, some client probably we do not show many accessory here. And client, if they have some specific requirement for holder, probably we can customize the holder for them.
Okay.
Yes. Just clients send us some photos or something, or some videos for reference.
Correct. It's important to understand the client and see and make a good recommendation.
Yes.
And can you tell us again the gateway?
Yes.
How much distance can cover?
Can cover the area.
Area
Is radius 50 meters.
50 meters radius.
Yeah. So which means it can cover around 2,800 square meter. 2,800 square meters. Yeah.
Okay. And
open area.
Okay. This is with internet and
yes.
It is better for 4G, 5G.
This one is connect with cable network.
Cable network.
Yes. Right here you can see.
Okay.
Cable network. And this one, we just connect with the cable network and power on. Right here is Type-C chargers.
Okay.
Yes. Then this one can work. So this one is easy to use.
Okay. Perfect.
Yes. And one gateway generally we suggest work with less than 5,000 pieces DSL.
Okay, 5,000,
yes.
Less than 5,000.
Yes. Less than.
Okay.
And if you have more than 5,000, we suggest you can add an AP plug. AP plug is, we do not have sample here. AP plug is something like You spend. Yes.
Okay.
It's just the size around this one. It's very small and it can amplify the signal. Yes. And which means some supplier they for 5,000 pieces they need to work with some traditional solution. Probably they need to work with the six or 7 pieces gateway. And for our solution, only one gateway. One gateway with 6 pieces AP plug. And the cost will decrease a lot.
Okay.
Yeah, compared with you use 6 pieces gateway. Yeah.
The question that I want to know is also, in your experience, how long it takes for a supermarket to recover the investment?
Actually, we have a file. Have I sent it to you before?
That one, no.
No one. Okay, I will send you soon.
Okay.
And actually, depends on our calculation. Generally, is 2 years. 2 years we can cover the cost compared with using paper labels. Yeah, generally 2 years. And actually, it depends on the stock. It depends on the stock. And we have a rough calculation about this. Yeah, I can send you some drawing.
Okay.
Yes.
Excellent. What I mentioned is very important and is a key part of this problem is that what he has a software control.
Yeah.
So in countries in this moment of time when the inflation is hitting a lot of countries, so the prices are getting. We need to accommodate prices quite often when the inflation is up to 2, 3%, 5%. So you cannot start printing all the time paper.
Yeah.
So you need to find a ways, and I think that there is a good product to save.
Yes, exactly. Yes.
And later on, of course, if here you can put. Can you show us the templates? How we can have different templates? So don't get. We can do many things.
Oh, can I just tell us the system was upgraded?
I
Now
know
it
this.
is. Yeah.
Okay.
Now all work. And
Let's do it. Let's do it.
Yes. Let's add the new products. And right here, we can put. And then confirm. Yeah. Success. App successful. Right here.
Selected was just plug in, plug out.
Yes. Now we can see it works. We have the new product right here. Yes, it's very good. And Ronnie just said we show some template. Yes, template here. Manage template right here. Have the manage template, and here is create template. There have many templates we already create.
Excellent.
Yeah, and you can also add normal template if you would like to create by yourself. Right here, template names, and you can select the. Right here is the all template all ESL model. We need to choose. Like this one is 4.2 inch, and we have to choose 4.2 inch.
Okay.
Right, left, and right here. Then you have a new template. And right here is the template list. What we have is here. This is our template bucket.
Okay.
Yeah, which means you can choose all templates you have.
Okay.
Right here.
And those are free templates.
A free template.
Okay.
You
That's
don't collect money for this.
which is good.
Yeah, and you can see this one is black and white template for text. And this one is 2.1 inch. You just see this one, 2.1 inch template. 7.5, yes, and 2.1 inch. 4.2 inch, 2.9 inch.
So the screen they have 2 colors or can be multicolor.
3 colors.
3 colors. Right. Very important.
White, red.
Okay.
Yes.
White. Okay. Excellent.
Actually, we have some client they need yellow color, black, white, yellow, and we can also do this. Yeah, but in the market, most clients they need black, white, red.
Okay.
Yes, and right here you can see we have around 80 template here.
80 template.
80 template right here for from the 2.1 from the 1.5 inch to 7.5 inch. Yes, 6 inch we have template, and we can try to change the to upgrade the ESL here. Yeah, let's see. This one is the code.
Okay.
Yeah, we can find the ESL here. Manage device.
Manage the task.
Manage device. Right here, manage ESL. You can see all the ESL you have now. And let's see, this one is BE 363. Well, this one is this one. The code is same, and we modify. And this one right here, it has this one, and you can see the template now we use is this one. And we choose another template. Right here, you can choose another. Like this one is, like we choose, take example, we choose this template. And now, is this one. And we confirm.
Also, we have 3 colors for that.
Yes, we follow for that. And we show success and buy successfully. And then we just wait. Just wait, it change. Yeah.
How much time it takes?
Generally, 10 seconds for one piece is generally is 10 seconds, I think.
And for if you have in one supermarket?
One supermarket
With one gateway?
One gateway. How much time is we have a test for 5,000 pieces. The change price, upgrade price time is around 30 minutes. No. Around 10 minutes. Because this one is changed one by one. They have a keyword.
Okay.
怎么这么久还没变呢？刚刚也这么慢吗？没有。刚刚也。Let's see. Oh, and it shows success here. Oh, let's see. It's conditional. It's fraction. Yes, it's fraction. And it's fraction. And let's see. It's done. It's done.
It's done.
Yes. It's
Excellent.
done.
Lesson 1 here.
It's done.
Which
and
is
right here you can also see the state. It shows success.
success.
Yeah.
Perfect.
So you can choose many templates. You right there.
How many languages can have this?
Language.
Yes.
Language.
The software.
The software for now it supports two languages, Chinese and English. But now we are developing many other languages. Yeah, like Russian, like Arabic.
Arabic, what is that? Arabic?
Yeah, Arabic, exactly. And we also developed Germany,
Okay.
and Russian, and some Spanish.
Okay.
Spanish. Yes. We are developing many other languages. So in our next version for software, we will launch new 8 language. We will launch another 8 language.
Okay, that's good.
Yes.
Excellent.
And for display content, it can show many language.
Correct.
Yes.
Correct. Display.
Yes.
Actually, I can say that that is very good definition.
Yeah.
Very good pixels.
Yes.
Good. Okay.
Yeah.
One other question. Production time. How much time it takes to place an order, and then how much time to take to produce?
And generally, if your orders are less than 2,000 pieces, we can finish within 20 days. 20 days. And if your orders are more than 10,000 pieces, and generally it takes about 30 days. Yeah, and because now you know, Ronia, China New Year is coming soon. So many factory, like component factory, they supply component to us. They will start holiday.
When they start holiday?
Probably is in the midst of the January.
Okay.
Yes. So for now, you can see is Christmas is coming. So right here, if we place order to them for components, they need time to produce. So right here, if your orders are around 10,000 pieces, before Christmas holiday, we can make sure ship out before China New Year. But after Christmas, we can ship out before China New Year if your orders are 10,000 pieces. Yes,
okay.
Because now it's really a tight time. But in normal days, 10,000 pieces, probably we can finish before 30 days.
Okay, it's very good time.
Yes.
Very good time.
Yes. And so actually, today's our live streaming is finished. And thanks to Ronnie's introduced, give us some questions about electronic shift labor. And I think Ronnie's question are most client questions.
I hope so.
Yes. So we really appreciate Ronnie's. We can do this live stream together. And thanks to Ronnie. And Christmas is around corner. Right here we wish all audience Merry Christmas and Happy New Year's.
Yes. Stay with family, stay protected.
Yes.
And enjoy this wonderful time.
Yes. So see you next time. And this is Aaron. This is
Ronnie. Bye bye.
Bye bye. Goodbye.
Okay. Excellent.